Hi, there's a lot of talk going right now within the hacker community about the new feature of the new Kali Linux, which is the undercover mode. I don't know if you've checked it, but I would suggest go look at it. It's really awesome. What's going to happen is that you will have the ability to do an undercover mode wherein when somebody looks at your screen, it looks like you're using Windows 10. So I'm going to show you how to do it because I've seen a lot of people in social media, even in YouTube, asking on how to do it even after they have upgraded to the new version of Kali. Okay, so I'm gonna show you how to do that, but first what we're gonna do is that we have to make sure that you have the latest version of Kali. And in order for you to do that, what you gotta do is open a terminal and type grep and then version etc os dash release just to see that you have the latest version. You should have the version 2019.4 in order to use the new Kali feature, which is the undercover mode. And if you don't have it, what you can do is you do app update ampersand app y and then full dash upgrade. So that should upgrade your version to the newest one. Okay, and for some reason, after you upgrade it and you still can't see it, another thing that you can try, or another thing that you have to do in order to make sure that the undercover mode works, is that because you will be using the XFCE environment, not the GNOME. So right now, what you can see is that I have the GNOME desktop. So what you have to do just to make sure that you have the ability to run the XFCE is that you gotta type app-y install Kali desktop-xfce and then just hit enter. Okay, and once you've done that and then you restart your computer and still you come back to this desktop and you don't have the ability to do undercover mode, what you're gonna do next is go right here and do log out. Okay, and once you're logged out, you're gonna be in the login screen. Okay, and what you're gonna do next is type your username. So I'm gonna type root and then hit enter. And once you're here, you can type the password. Okay, after you type the password, don't hit enter or sign in. What you gotta do is click this settings icon, and after you click that settings, you gotta choose the XFCE session. Okay, just to make sure that you have it chosen, click that icon again and then XFCE session and then do sign in. And after you do that, it will take some time, but you can see now my desktop has changed. Okay, and once the desktop is changed, what you can do here is that you can type the undercover mode, and then as soon as you click that, it changes to something that looks like Windows 10. And you still have all of the functionality of Linux, but it just looks like um, Windows 10. So if you're in a public place and you want to run Kali, just to mask, or just so it doesn't look like you're using Kali. And a lot of people, whenever they see you using the terminal, um, sometimes people would think that you're doing bad things. Okay, and then so if you want to go back um, to the normal mode of Kali and not the undercover, you just have to type Kali dash undercover and then hit enter, and it should revert you back to your Kali. I hope that helps, and thank you for listening. Bye.